Week 37 to week 39 of your pregnancy journey is basically that week that you're to experience your early signs of labor. In this video, I'll be walking you through the early signs of labor that you'll be experiencing. This week also seems to be like the longest wait that you've ever had in your time. Those who have given birth to their first, second, third child will relate very well that this week seems to be that week that it will never end. Like it will, because it's as if they added extra days to the month so that it will not get to that final day, which is your delivery day. But not to worry, very soon you're going to see your baby. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the basic symptoms, which is just basically signs of labor, things to expect, and the healthy tips for you to navigate in this your final laps of your pregnancy. Let's get started to today's video. Week 37 to week 39 of your pregnancy journey. Good news, you've made it to the final stretch of your pregnancy days. Your week 37 to week 39 of your pregnancy is the last 3 weeks of your pregnancy journey. In this week, anything can happen. Expect to be having your baby any moment from now. So let me walk you through this week 37 to week 39 of your pregnancy to know what you'll be expecting and to prepare your mind so that you know the main day that is ahead of you, which is your delivery or your labor day. So let me walk you through week 37 to week 9, your body changes, what you should expect, and the healthy tips for you to navigate in this your final laps of your pregnancy journey. Week 37 of your pregnancy is a very huge milestone. Your baby is now a full-term pregnancy and is ready to be born. That is, your baby is prepared, the lungs, everything is now matured and well enough to stay without you. At this point, your baby is now about 19 inches long, and if weighed, your baby should be about 2.9 kg. Yeah, but like me, I gave birth to my first daughter 36 weeks and she weighed 3.5. I gave birth to my second daughter and my last daughter at week 40 and they weighed 3.5. Yeah, so from 2.9 kg is the minimum weight that your baby should be having at this week. So expect nothing less than 2.9 kg in this week 37. Then over to you. You might be feeling very weak and tired. The pelvic pain will become intense because baby is coming lower and lower. The back pain will be there. The Braxton Hicks will also be there. That's a contraction. And you can also start noticing maybe the dilation will not start in this week 37. And if you're watching for the first time, you've not been following this series, dilation means the opening and tightening, the expansion of the birth canal, getting ready for your delivery. And I told you that for you to give birth, the cervix needs to dilate up to 10 centimeters. So in this week 37, it has started opening little by little because for some people it takes much time. So it will start dilating from your week 37. And emotionally in this week 37, you're likely to feel very excited, especially if it is your first time of having your child, or for those who have been having a particular gender and you've already done your gender review and you know that is going to be the other gender that you've always been praying for. This week will become very emotional, like you'll be very happy and excited. You cannot wait to meet your baby. So please endeavor to pack your bag. Everything should be ready. For those who do not want to announce their delivery and all that, I don't want people to know, please this week take your bag to the hospital and get ready because very soon you'll be seeing your baby. And in week 38, your baby is now about 19.5 inches long and 6.8 pounds in weight. Like I told you before, from this week, just start getting ready. Even you might not even get to your week 40. Your baby can come anytime from this week. So just prepare and keep yourself ready because very soon the congratulations will start coming. By now, your baby lungs are ready. They are already prepared to breathe outside you. They've gained weight. Their skin is now thick. Their skin has started gaining weight. Their head has already turned engaged and ready to be out. And over to you. How do you now know that you're in labor or labor has started? Because labor can come anytime. Yeah, your water might break in this week 38. Yeah, the water is that amniotic fluid that holds your baby inside, so it's going to burst. And once it breaks, just know that you are almost there because your baby cannot actually survive outside the water for a very long time. Yeah, you might also experience what we call the mucus plug, which is like catarrh. It draws. Yeah, so be expect once you see that, know that it's called, some people call it show. Yes, so once you see all these signs, just know that it's almost there. You can also call your hospital. And the Braxton Hicks will also become somehow stronger in this week. All these signs are what you should be expecting in your week 38 of your pregnancy. So once you start noticing all these things, please go to the hospital, let them monitor and check. I know those that have given birth before, some people like us, when all these things start, we just stay relaxed. But for the first time mothers, please, if you notice your water will break, the water breaking, you feel some wetness in you, as if somebody poured you a sachet of pure water, or you urinated on your body, or the mucus plug, which is the show, is like catarrh. If you go to urinate, you see plenty in your pant, it draws. Some also comes with blood. So if you see this, please know that your baby is almost here. Call your hospital and start going to the hospital so that they can monitor you. Then in week 39, which is the last week for this week, your baby is now the size of a watermelon, weighing up to 3.2 to 3.5 kg and measuring 20 inches long. So like I told you before, that from your 37, just start getting ready, because baby can come anytime. And please be very vigilant to know all the signs of labor. Once all these things start, just know that it is already labor. At this point, your baby is fully developed and is putting up just few more weights before birth. And your body is now getting to prepare. Your body is now preparing for the final day, which is your delivery day. So in week 39, you might feel increased pelvic pressure. Your water is likely to break in your week 39. And you also might have that mucus plug, which is show. Though some people do not have it. Some people is until when they are in labor. Some people use hand to rupture the water and all that. So, but just be attentive and pay attention to all these signs of labor. Remember, every labor is different. Some people naturally give birth at week 39, while others at week 40, or let me say maximum 41. But please don't pressure yourself. Like me, I'm an example. Because I gave birth to my daughter in week 36, my two other children, when I got to week, it's just that sometimes we teach what we cannot practice. So when I got to week 38, 39, I was very worried. I feel like something was wrong with me, because I was using my first pregnancy to calculate. So some of you now, because maybe your friend or your first pregnancy or people you know gave birth before this week 39, you start being worried. Don't be worried. It's not too late if you've not given birth in your week 39. Just observe your body. If there's any change, call your hospital. And very soon, you're also going to hear the cry of a newborn baby in your home. So here are some healthy tips for you to navigate in these last laps. Please make sure you stay hydrated, drink a lot of water, start taking a short walk. Maybe in your compound, you can be doing evening workout every single day. Listen to your body, be very attentive. If there is any different thing you've never noticed, please call your care provider, call your hospital. And don't forget to pack your bag. Your bag should be ready. Everything should just be handy. Charge your phone. Everything should be ready. And please stay positive and rest well. Trust your body. Trust the timing. Please, if you're seeing my face for the first time and you're confused, like what are these people doing, check the description box. I will leave the links to the series of your pregnancy journey. We've been on a series of your pregnancy journey from the very first day you took in down to now week 39. Please go to the description box, quickly watch the video, and make sure you don't miss out from any of those weeks, because it has been an amazing and incredible journey. Please don't forget that you're doing an incredible job. Yeah, these final laps can be very draining. Yeah, this is the week, like my husband will always tell me that you've waited from month one, month two, month three, month four, till now is the ninth month. Why are you now worried? These 2 3 weeks remaining, you will now feel like the longest days of your life. It will seem like it's not coming again. But please don't worry, very soon you're going to see your little baby. So just relax. You've done an amazing job from month one to this month. God is going to see you through. And please don't forget to join us tomorrow in our last week, where I will be giving you the final tips, preparing you for labor, what it feels like to be in labor, and I also give you my special prayer. That prayer I always pray for myself, and I will enter delivery room and come. So please make sure you don't miss out from our week 40, our Ogbonge week. I know that some of you watching me right now might have given birth. Congratulations, but so there are still some people that are still watching this video that have not given birth. So please, let's stay tuned and watch them give birth in their week 40. So if you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Daisy Peter. I'm a content creator based in Port Harcourt. I'm a mother of three, and all I do here is give healthy tips for you to navigate your pregnancy journey, tips on how to navigate motherhood, and tips on how to take care of your little baby. If this sounds like something you want to be seeing all the time, please, I want you to like, subscribe to this channel. It is totally free, and share this video to someone who might need it. Thanks for watching. Bye, and see you tomorrow in our week 40. Bye.